Hello, and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Kate, one of the team here at Sallie Tomato, and welcome to day 11 of our 2025 Hearth and Handcrafted Advent Box. Day 11. Get ready to deck the halls. You're about to make something fun and unique to herald in the holiday season. Today's gift brings charm and festive decor to your holiday space. This wooden thread spool garland kit includes 12 wooden spools, 2 yards of twine, and faux leather or cork scraps in box coordinated colors. This garland is perfect for decorating your sewing space or mantle or gifting to a fellow maker. It's a fun, hands-on project that adds a rustic, festive touch to your home. This is such a fun little project. Come and join me as I give you a quick little tutorial for making this festive garland. First, gather a few supplies in addition to the packaged items, such as a rotary cutter, mat, and ruler, or you could use a clear acrylic ruler, chalk, or removable pen and scissors. Permanent double-sided basting tape, craft glue, or hot glue are going to be essential in assembling the garland. You may find a long needle, a bodkin, or even a crochet hook and an iron helpful when working with the twine. I'd also recommend playing your favorite holiday music or podcast to keep things festive. Okay, let's begin. Step 1. First, cut 3 1-inch wide strips from each of the 4 squares of fabric using your rotary cutter. Or on the wrong side of each fabric square, mark, then cut each strip. Moving on to step 2, you're going to wrap 1 fabric strip around each spool using either double-sided basting tape or glue to secure the fabric in place. The next step is more of a tip, and that is to smooth the twine using a little steam and heat from an iron. Then you'll thread the spools onto the included length of twine. This is where you might like using a long needle or a bodkin, as the twine can catch inside the little hole of the spool. If you like a fancier look, add pony beads or colorful wooden beads in between the spools. If you want a shorter garland, you can simply loop the twine around each spool as you're threading the spool on, just like I'm doing here. And then step 4 is to tie or knot a loop at each end of the twine. And then we'll move on to step 5. That's simply spacing the spools out evenly or as desired along the twine, and then add a little dot of hot glue to help hold the spool in place on the twine. And your last step is find a place to hang your new festive garland. Well, I hope you enjoyed this sweet little tutorial stuck right in our Advent box, an extra little surprise for you, and maybe a fun little surprise for someone in your family as well. There might still be a few Advent boxes left on our website, so don't miss your chance. And if we have sold out already, sign up for our newsletter below to get early access when the 2026 Advent box launches. Please share and show off your photos of your completed projects. We'd love to see your style. Use the hashtags Sallie Tomato and Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media so we can see it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching and have fun making something festive.